Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our AGH employee account. So let's get started. So if you want to log into your AGH employee account, what you can do is just open up a browser, and after opening up a browser in search bar you have to search for AGH employee login. And after searching for that option, now what you can do is just tap on the second option which says AGH employee solution outsourcing payroll. And now it will take you to this page where you should tap on payroll system login, which is on the top right corner of your screen. And over here you have to enter your employee and then password and then role. So if you don't have a role, what you can do is just tap on show settings. And now what you can do is just enter your service ID and client and then tap on submit role. And after entering all these details, what you can do is just tap on I accept this website and then log in. And after tapping on login, you will successfully log into your account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your AGH employee account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.